Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix due to suspicious activity you cannot verify this phone number. Please request verification with another phone number. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to log in your account through your phone number, or when you are going to forget or reset your password and you have given your phone number to get verification code and showing the error like that, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Let me tell you, because you have reset your password a lot of time and you have requested the verification code on that phone number a lot of time, maybe that's why it's not working for you. So for that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then tap on general. So from here you have to scroll it down a bit. From here you have to go to language and region. Let me tell you that just simply have to select that country. If you're using iPhone, just simply have to select that country that you are giving the country code with your phone number. Okay guys, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's not working, then there is a one possible way to fix this issue. Just simply have to wait some hours. Okay guys, or you can also use your email to log in your account or to reset your password. Okay guys, just simply reset your password with your email. You can easily log in your account with your email. Okay guys, if you want to do this with your phone number, then you have to wait some hours because they have detected that suspicious activity. Okay guys, and if you want to fix this issue with the phone number, then you have to wait some hours for that. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.